When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, windows play a bigger role than many homeowners realize. In Washington, where the climate can range from cool, damp winters to warm summers, choosing the right window style is essential for maintaining comfort and controlling energy costs. Picture windows, known for their expansive glass and fixed design, offer several energy efficiency benefits that make them an excellent choice for modern homes. Picture windows are large, non-operable windows designed to provide clear, unobstructed views and maximum natural light. Because they don't open, they have fewer moving parts than other window types. This simple design is actually one of their biggest advantages when it comes to energy efficiency. One of the primary benefits of picture windows is their airtight seal. Since these windows are fixed in place, they eliminate the potential for air leaks that can occur with operable windows. In Washington homes, where maintaining indoor warmth during colder months is important, this tight seal helps keep heated air inside and prevents cold drafts from entering. During warmer periods, it also keeps cool air in, reducing the workload on your HVAC system. Another key advantage is improved insulation. Modern picture windows are often built with double or triple pane glass, along with insulating gas fills between the panes. These layers create a strong barrier against outdoor temperatures, helping to regulate your home's indoor climate. For Washington residents, this means a more consistent and comfortable environment year-round, regardless of changing weather conditions. Low emissivity, low E coatings further enhance energy performance. These coatings are designed to reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. In the winter, they help keep heat inside your home, and in the summer, they reflect excess heat away. This dual benefit makes picture windows especially effective in climates like Washington's, where both heating and cooling are important considerations. Natural light is another factor that contributes to energy efficiency. Picture windows are designed with large glass surfaces that allow sunlight to flood into your home. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering electricity usage. In addition to energy savings, natural light also creates a brighter, more inviting living space. Strategic placement of picture windows can further maximize their efficiency. Installing them in areas that receive consistent sunlight can help naturally warm your home during cooler months. At the same time, pairing them with energy-efficient glass ensures that excessive heat doesn't become an issue during warmer periods. This balance allows homeowners to take advantage of sunlight without sacrificing comfort. Another benefit is reduced wear on your HVAC system. Because picture windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to compensate for temperature fluctuations. Over time, this can lead to lower energy bills and extend the lifespan of your HVAC equipment, an important consideration for homeowners looking to reduce long-term costs. Durability also plays a role in energy efficiency. With no moving parts, picture windows are less prone to wear and tear. This means they are more likely to maintain their seal and insulation properties over time. For Washington homeowners, this reliability ensures consistent performance without the need for frequent adjustments or repairs. In addition to their functional benefits, picture windows also enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Their clean, modern design and expansive views create a sense of openness that makes rooms feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. This aesthetic appeal adds value to your home while supporting energy efficiency goals. While picture windows do not provide ventilation on their own, they can be paired with operable windows nearby to create a balanced solution. This allows you to enjoy both airflow and energy efficiency without compromising on either. Ultimately, picture windows offer a combination of simplicity and performance that makes them a smart choice for Washington residences. Their airtight design, advanced insulation, and ability to maximize natural light all contribute to improved energy efficiency and year-round comfort. For homeowners looking to upgrade their windows, picture windows provide a practical and visually appealing solution. With the right placement and professional installation, they can help create a more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable living space for years to come.